Easy 3 ingredients recipe with slow cooker. We need to manage our fridge stock efficiently. If you have no cooking skills, limited ingredients, and tight budget, this is what you need. These recipes only contains 3 ingredients and cooked with slow cooker. So you just put the ingredients on the slow cooker, wait for 4 to 6 hours, then your meal is prepared. 1. Lemon garlic chicken. Pair fresh lemon and garlic with your favorite fresh herb. It's perfect for when the weather warms up and you don't want to turn on the oven. Start by slicing fresh lemons and garlic and laying them in the bottom of the slow cooker. Add any fresh herbs that sound good. Just make sure you have completely cleaned out the chicken. Do not include the head and the neck. Pat it dry with paper towels. Season the chicken inside and out with all-purpose steak seasoning because it has so many great chunky spices. Fill the chicken cavity with a quartered lemon, more fresh herbs, and a garlic head cut in half. Cover the chicken with additional lemon slices and herbs. Turn slow cooker to high, and cook for about 4 hours. Let chicken rest for about 15 minutes. 2. Salsa chicken. Chicken and salsa were a ridiculously obvious match made. It only requires 2 ingredients. It takes less than 2 minutes to prep, less than 2 minutes to shred. To make this salsa chicken, just pop some raw chicken in a slow cooker. Then cover it with lots of your favorite salsa. Season it with some extra salt and pepper, give it a stir, and then let your slow cooker do its thing. After about 4 hours, pop off that lid, and the chicken should fall apart into shredded, juicy, salsa perfection. 3. Pulled pork. Throw about a 4-pound Boston butt pork roast in your slow cooker with root beer, cook on low for 6 hours, drain off liquid and discard any bones, shred pork, return to pot and toss with your favorite vinegar-based sauce. Sounds easy, right? Then it is your turn to try it. Thanks for watching.